Today I'm going to show you how to use the Kahoot quiz website. It's an interactive website that allows you to create quizzes. Generally great use in classrooms for creating unit reviews. Great way to get kids interested and they actually have a lot of fun. They can get competitive because you can actually set it up where they're working in teams or individually, and they score is kept. They can see how many points they're receiving, and it's just a great opportunity for students to have fun and learn at the exact same time. So in order to get to the Kahoot website, you need to go to getkahoot.com. From there you can sign up for free and create your website account. Otherwise, if you already have one, you'll click sign in. From here you'll enter your email address and your password. Once you sign in, you will have your Kahoot account page in front of you. Across the top you have your button to create a new Kahoot. This exact page will pop up every time you click on new Kahoot. You got My Kahoots, which are your Kahoots that you've already created. As you can see, I've got one in here that I created. And then you've got your Public Kahoots. This is where you can search for any quiz that you want. You can search based on your audience, based on the type of Kahoot you want. It's just a great way to find an interactive Kahoot without necessarily having to make one if you don't have the time. I'm going to go back to New Kahoot, and I'm going to show you how to create a quiz. So you'll click Quiz, and you'll title it. I'm going to do a U.S. President quiz. And then you need to put a description. I'm going to do a real simple one. The more descriptive, the better. Visibility, you can choose to have everyone view it or only yourself. I'm going to choose only me. You've got various languages. We'll stick with English. And then your audience. You've got several options. I'm going to use social. Here's your credit resources. I recommend always putting down the resources that you use so that you don't get in trouble. I used whitehouse.gov for my facts. Once you've got all that ready, you'll hit go, and here you'll create your questions. I'm going to only show you how to create one so that I have time to show you how to actually view it. Question 1. Who was the first president? Once you have your question listed, you can pick your time limit. I always do 20 seconds. It's about perfect. I'm going to put in my options here. Just picking some random ones for right now. And Abraham Lincoln. From here you pick the correct answer, so I will select George Washington. And you can credit your resources if you have the need to. I've got all mine from one source, so I'm just going to keep that simple. Once you have that done, you click Next, and then you can go on to your next question. You can add as many questions as you want. In this case, I'm going to consider it done, and I'm going to hit Save. Once I hit Save, you can edit it, preview it, or play it. A lot of times I like to preview it, so when you do that, it will bring you to this page, and you will pick either player versus player mode or team mode. I'm going to pick Classic. And at this point is when your students need to have a laptop out, and they will be punching in the pin, and it will play this music, and once everyone's in, you'll see a list of players, and from that point you'll be able to play your Kahoot. Thank you for listening.